Oh, I want conscious video she there too. Well, I know what it is. Backers. Yo, what you did, dog? What you say? They have a bad girl from Jamaica. Yo, what's your name, man? What's your name? Alright, say blood cleatless. What? How about it, big? Big humbug. Nah, you know me make a video right now. I think you came on the record. Yo, my land there, I'm soon forward. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the mostly channel of the entire Caribbean. Big up Jamaica, I come from though. You hear me? I say right now, we have a sexy artist from Jamaica. Recommended by Nadine. You don't know, big up yourself. I use some for that one. You hear me? I say she named Chini Unique. You hear me? I say she is a dancer. Me Ras. We have a go. No, sorry, she's a choreographer, guy. We ain't gonna do that. We are not doing that. But let's see what's popping. You know what we do over here. You know it goes down. You all send me them and I rate them. Or I smash or pass them. And you know we go crazy. So smash a like on the video. Comment on the video to see your comment in this video that I post. Tear up the like button, people. Tear up the like button. We're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. You understand me? And next year, we're going for 100,000 subscribers. But 30K to end this year off the right way. You understand? We are 3,000 away. And you know we're going to do it before the end of the year. Now, you can see what's going on. Screw the card on the screen right now. Chini Unique Wagwan. You can see what's going on for the stories first, right? Story time. By Lincoln Tree that. And the crowd goes. All right. You got to appreciate it, yeah. What the chunka bongo blood? Right here. I didn't even see it. But I was going to stop because I don't want to get copyrighted. Because everything is copyrighted nowadays. But hold on. So why am I going to It's okay to unfollow people in real life. It's cheat.
It's my winning season.
What is it? Alright, here what going on. Hear what is going on. No. I'm busy. Hear what is going on. Let's get straight to the rating. Bow! First pick, hold on tight and don't let go. Hold on tight and don't let go. Look. Alright, you may have said the first picture, people. We starting off ration. We starting off cross. We starting off angry. Wow. Calm down myself because I'm not some more than that. So I gonna be rude and stubborn and get so for that one now. Make us see what I go on.
You will never be alone. That pussy they
Picture
are.
me I rate to them. Why? Why? Lord, that page are nice. That page are nice. I just see him fit this. No, a different fit. Let me see what I go on. I just try you and that's why I look same way. It's alright. May I be stubborn and may get a 7 again. Go on. 7. Label ring. I love them things there. What me zoom in on the picture for? Boy, people, woman, and a boy behave yourself. People, woman. That's a man take a bit of one part. Me I get around 7. Me stubborn today. Me ras. You think? Well, I have to take it back. 9. Me not see the man hug up she. Me see man hug up that one there. 9. 9. Yeah, man. Go on. Bumbo. Class, you think. Hold on. What the chunk of bongo? Go on. Blood clot. Alright, you got up to 8 now. 8. What? Who is that, brother? Who that brother there? Who that brother there? I be careful, you know. People, woman, you know. Right, I like that picture. I like that fit here. Your white drawers, may I see through that? I like that fit though. Love that fit there. What I 8? Go on. What? So which part did they at Jamaica when they at Jamaica? No, hold on. Which part of Jamaica you did there when me used to live at Jamaica? Me go back here back at you. What? Wait, what? Which part of Jamaica you? I like that fit there. What a 9? Go on. Me blood clot. 9. Me jungle bongo. 9. Me cockroach top. 9. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Prince.
Like,
What's going on here?
Prince Adi?
Yeah. Ready. I start from Un. So we know I go start. Point on up.
Don't never stop.
Me brass. Clark. No. Yes, I. That's right. Move around. Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm free one day. Me brass. Find it back in a book. Me brass. Hold on. Some pass.
Don't never
Hold on. What kind of eater? Hold on. No.
Don't never
watch the video now. What if you go watch the video now? Come no go pay your eater. Boy. Shake your bam bam. Alright. Me nah keep watching. Hush. 8. Me draws. 8. You two don't. Yeah. You two don't like see them things, yeah, no? You know, so the video get yellow mark. Go on, no. Rate that fit already, you favor me. I like this. I like that. I like this. Yeah, this is a 10 for real. I like that picture, yeah. Go on. Watch. I like that too, but it's a 9. I 10 hard to get. Yeah, man, I like that fit, yeah. I like that fit there too. No more work. I want conscience video shit there too. Well, I know what it is.
Backers.
Yo, follow me right now. People, let's see what video I get. If this video get 1,000 likes, may I find somewhere to get her in one of my videos. I go call her, I go DM her, I go email her, I do everything, and I make a video with her. I call her, I FaceTime her or something. If this video get 1,000 likes, 1,000 likes, people, 1K, blood clot. Yeah. Scroll. Me done. Me now watch the more video. 9, 10, 11. Me blood click. Go on. No more video me now watch today. Hold on, the pass. I like it. Rate 30 though. Whoa. Alright. Now turn around now. Lord! Trouble. Thick. 8. Go on. 8. Go. I love that picture here, but it's a 9 here I get. I like that picture here. It is a 9. Oh. Just look how she beautiful and tan good. Just look on her up on the full screen, dog. Just look, watch her. Take over the phone screen. Take it over. Feel one now. Watch that. Tan damn good. 10. Sure. Stop it, man. You behave yourself. 10. Big blood clot body. Well, a 9. Like that fat. That video. We now watch no more video today. Them party picture, yeah. I don't like party picture. I don't know why. More if a woman cock up them foot so. What a 8. Body big like. Well, I ate. Me ras. No, the fit I rate the fit already, you know. Me rate the fit already. But the picture different picture. So whole of 10, me like that. Me love that. Bad girl. Big butt, me like that one too. You know, whole of you eat them. Me not rate the same fit them so much time. You favor me? 8. I want to go on right here. So. I say, I want to zoom in sometime and see you out. I want to go on in the right corner over the part, over there. So. In the right corner over the part. Type, yeah, sir. Scroll. Bombo. Scroll and behave yourself, youth. I love that. Well, a 9. Just read it a while ago. A 8. 8. Now, what's up? Behave myself. I could behave myself because if you don't follow me, you're trouble. You see what else I have over here? So, what enough you see? What enough it? What enough you see? Mirrors. Blood cloth. Mirrors. Jungle bongo. No, sir. Mirror teeth cup. Alright, sir. Yes. No, man. Why me not gone? Me still there. Me still there, look. Rascal girl. Me gone.